Welcome all. Little video, picture montage of me putting the van in. There's a bit of wiring in there. Watch future videos to see what that's for. We've got some lights in. They do all work to switch separately. Just put all the fillet, but carry on watching this, and you'll see how it all went up. Well, we've got the vapour barrier up. It's got some of the wiring in for the roof lights. Still got to run another cable across here for a reading lamp. All the insulation there, which is going up next. So, yeah. Oh, I've got the first boarding as well. But that's just temporary, just to see. So. We'll get it all in, it'll look good. Well, got the roof in. Hopefully it's all gonna stay. There it is. Right, that bit of trim has gone back on, and I put carpet in along there, and the same on that side. So it's all hidden, and the roof's on, it's all hidden away. I'm going to fill some holes now, and then it's ready for painting. I'm just going to paint it white satin wood. That'll all be good, it'll all be nice and neat and tidy, and I've even got the lights wired up. Hang on! So. Cool! Right, let's get some holes filled. So I think we've done enough of this roof now. It's all done, all filled, ready for painting. We will do that next time, and we've got sides to go on the carpet. So next one will be to get these sides done. I have to leave the seating for now because I'm still using it for the kids to get to school. So yeah, subscribe to see more. See you next time.